Evening falls, the meter starts racing. Our little hurricane strikes. Lights, heater, fridge, TV. We all know that helpless feeling. She becomes the switch patrol. I'm the fridge guard. Enough is enough. Time for a change. Plug in, power on. ZenDoor SolarFlow 2400 Pro. Capturing the day to power by night. Not a single ray of sunshine goes to waste. No more compromising. Cooking, cleaning, living. I run everything at once. Cozy evening? Or a full house? It grows with us. It balances our life energy and maximizes self-consumption, even on gray days. It's beyond the storage. ZenDoor's ZenWave, the energy trader, and ZENKI AI, the energy manager. It's beyond storage. It plans every watt and automatically finds the lowest possible rates. The best part? Watching that bill drop. That's not just savings, that's a family vacation. Total control over the energy ecosystem. All in one glance, one tap. And most importantly, ZenGuard provides a fortress of safety. Network down? Grid failure? No problem. Life stays uninterrupted. ZenDoor SolarFlow 2400 Pro.